Aragon AI Tutorial. In this video, I show you a quick tutorial of Aragon AI Professional Headshot Photo Generator tool. Aragon AI can generate high-quality headshots that look just as good as professional photos. You can use this headshots in LinkedIn profile or in your resume or any other social media account. Even if you have a company and want to make a team headshots photo for your team members, it is right tool. It is really easy to use. First, you need to sign up. To sign up, I add the link below in the description. Click and use your Google account to sign up easily in second. Make sure to use the link below because with this link, you will get discount. I show you how to get discount at the end of the video. Now, this is the most easiest panel in the world. Choose if you are looking for team member headshots or individual. Aragon AI will ask you some question about your face and hair features to make the best headshot photo for you. Choose the best answer you think is near or exact to your features. If you need a quick, affordable headshot for something like LinkedIn or a website, or any resume, Aragon AI is worth a shot for you, especially if you have decent input photos to work with. After all these questions, you need to upload at least 6 photos of yourself. It doesn't matter. Photo is a studio or it is a selfie in the garden or street. Just make sure your faces appear good. I upload a same photo here, but you have to upload different photos. And these are just some samples for you and what not to upload. After all, click on Continue option here. After this, you can immediately choose and download your images. But first, you need to upgrade your account. Here you have 3 different plans, which the last one is the most valuable one, because you will get 100 high-quality headshots just in 30 minutes. It will generate your photos in 40 backgrounds and outfits and 40 poses, which is great. The next plan is the most popular one, which most people choose this. It will generate 60 high-quality photos in 1 hour in 20 backgrounds and outfits and poses. And the last plan is the cheapest one, which take 2 hours to generate 20 photos and 5 backgrounds, outfits, and poses. As I said, most people choose basic. It is more affordable than the premium and more valuable than the starter plan. It is up to you. Make sure to use the link below in the description. Then add this coupon code here in this box and click on Apply button. It will decrease the total price. Aragon Headshot Generator is really fast, easy, and gets the job done. And I can say, at least 80% of the photos received from Aragon looked very realistic, not AI generated. You can try and see the result for yourself easily. After you complete the payment, you will get the photos in the time you choose. Using this AI to create headshots in today's world seems cost-effective, and you can have a lot of headshot photos in the shortest possible time. Especially if you are a company or need headshots for your team members, the fastest possible way is to use Aragon AI. Use the link below to take advantage of the discount.